everybody, and welcome back to iMac. Are you one of those people that has an old Rubik's Cube laying around, but it's mixed up, and no matter what you do, you can just not figure out how to solve it? Well, today, I'll be showing you how to solve your Rubik's Cube without learning. Okay, so our first step is heading into Google Chrome, or whatever browser you would like to use. Once it is loaded, then you will have to paste in the link that will be in the description. So, once this page has loaded, you will see what looks like a flat Rubik's Cube, and this will be where you put out all your colors. So, white needs to be on the bottom with orange at the front. So on your orange side, you have to start putting in the colors. So, on the top and bottom of my orange face, I have white. So I'll put one there, and one there. And then I have yellow here and here. And then I have one blue over there, one green right over there, and another blue over here. Now we'll be doing the blue side. I have a red, which goes there. I have two oranges, one there, and then I have a green, a yellow, another red, and a white. So you just need to continue doing all of these until you have an entire cube, and it has to be mirrored to your cube. I have finished plotting my entire cube. Now we just have to come down to here and click solve, and it will calculate the solution. And here is the calculated solution. So now you just have to scroll down, and now we just have to follow all these steps. Just take note that if you are unfamiliar with the terms and diagrams of cubing, always make sure that you follow the arrows, turn the correct side, and always keep your orange center towards you and your yellow center on top. And here we are, guys. This is my new solved Rubik's Cube, and yeah. That took a total of only 19 moves, so it's pretty easy and simple, and it certainly beats having to learn the whole thing if you don't have time. Now your Rubik's Cube is solved, and it can sit proudly on your desk. It will also make all of your friends think you are a complete genius for being able to solve it. Make sure to smash the like button and definitely subscribe.